Hey there, it's time to learn how to set up curbside pickup for your online store. In a nutshell, curbside pickup is allowing customers to order online and then pick up the product for contactless shopping at your selected location. It's becoming even more necessary nowadays to have it as a shipping and delivery option. So let's get started in getting your business all set up and ready to go for this holiday season. From your store admin, go to Shipping and Pickup. Click Add Pickup. Then enter the order pickup label. It will be displayed to customers at checkout. Enter your detailed instructions for customers here, like how, where, and when your customers can collect their purchases. Then, add a pickup charge if necessary. For example, you may need to cover your expenses for delivering goods to this pickup location. Click Add Pickup option. Here's an example of how it looks on your online store. Just as a side note, if you offer curbside or drive-through pickup instead of regular in-store pickup, change the pickup label displayed at checkout. Also, be sure to update the pickup instructions to make it as clear as possible for your customers. For example, you could say something along the lines of, "Hey, when you're at the pickup location, call us at 123-4567 and we'll safely place your order in your car's trunk." If you follow these easy instructions, you should be all set and ready to have customers place curbside pickup orders today. If you're having any issues with the setup process, don't worry. You can send us a message anytime at support@bookmark.com and we'll be happy to help you out. Until next time, take care.